My journey with IT began with my CCNA studies, where I've gained hands-on experience configuring networks both independently and collaborating with classmates. While pursuing my CCNA, I've earned the IT Specialist in Networking certification from Certiport. Outstanding customer support relies on listening, empathy, providing assurance, resolving issues efficiently, and educating customers. Whether it's helping someone set up his new gateway so he can refill his wife's heart medication online, helping someone find his favorite flavor of gelatin snack, or helping someone find the perfect toy car for her step grandson, I approach each interaction with an open mind, patience, and a genuine desire to help. Before networking, I worked at call centers as a team supervisor and training facilitator. I collaborated with IT and resource management. I served as a liaison of sorts with the IT department to escalate problems. I helped agents resolve issues by resetting equipment like surge protectors and computers. The IT team at one call center even designated my user profile as a test profile. They needed a profile to recreate problems, and for testing, I needed to know when to arrive extra early on a Thursday because of an update. Additionally, my experience with volunteer cohorts like the Collab Lab and Chingu has strengthened my collaboration skills. Through paired programming and sprint reviews, I've learned to solve problems, implement solutions, and deliver results as part of a team. Skills I'm dying to bring to the Cisco Dream Team.